Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Spider Cola, a unique shoulder accessory in Roblox. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Roblox promo code redemption page. It's crucial to make sure you are already logged into your Roblox account before proceeding. This ensures the item is correctly linked to your profile once redeemed. Once on the promo code page, you'll see a text box clearly labeled "Enter your code." Carefully type in Spider Cola into this box. It's very important to use all capital letters and ensure there are no spaces or typos. A small mistake can prevent the code from being successfully redeemed, so take a moment to verify your entry. After entering the code, click the Redeem button. You should then see a confirmation message stating promo code successfully redeemed. If you encounter an error, recheck the code for any mistakes. Once redeemed, head over to your Roblox avatar inventory. The Spider Cola will be waiting for you there, ready to be equipped as a cool shoulder accessory. To stay updated on future free items, always keep an eye on Roblox's official social media channels for new promo codes. Also, explore various in-game events, as they often offer unique free accessories. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Spider Cola.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.